sometimes in business you get a spanner thrown in the works and you've just got to adapt and move on. So this morning, unfortunately my daughter was poorly all last night and ill today, so she was off school. So the meeting I was supposed to have, I've had to postpone, but there's no biggie. We've just got to handle these things in a certain way. The best way to handle it is to just deal with it and then move on. So I'm just buying another Kindle book. It's something I try and do at least once a month, is read a new book. I better remember to renew our Apple developer account. That's slightly important. Remember on the motorbike that my tripmeter button wasn't working, so I've removed it. As a temporary fix, I'm going to fit this tonight. The other thing I want to look at is the battery, because the battery is tucked right down here somewhere, so to put it on charge is going to be a bit of a pain, because I do have a charger and conditioner that I want to fit, because the bike's not getting used that much, so it's good to keep the battery in decent condition and charged up. But putting it on is a pain, so I'm going to connect some extra wires to bring them out externally to make that job easier. All sorted now, so now I can charge my battery easily. So yes, that can be there, it can tuck under the seat, but obviously when it's not charging. And then this bit, and you can see what we do, just that bit and that, then plug it into there and there, and we're sorted. Then we can charge it. It's just a temporary measure really, because what I will do is get one of these cables, and then rather than attaching onto there, I can just go straight onto there, and we're sorted.